Today, we're learning how to adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation, three essential tools for making your videos look polished and professional. First, select the clip you want to enhance on your timeline, then head over to the right hand editing menu and tap Adjustments. Here, you'll see three key sliders: brightness, contrast, and saturation. Brightness controls how light or dark your clip looks. If your video is too dark, slide it up. If it looks too bright or washed out, slide it down. Contrast balances the difference between the light and dark parts of your video. Increasing it makes details pop, while lowering it creates a softer, flat look. Saturation adjusts the intensity of your colors. Push it up for rich, vibrant colors, or pull it down for a more muted, natural style. The best part is you can preview changes in real time. Play your clip while moving the sliders to see exactly how it looks in motion. Once you're happy with the adjustments, tap the check mark and your changes will be applied. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation in KineMaster. These simple tweaks can completely transform the look of your video. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more KineMaster editing tips.